Hey, it's Andrew from the Little Robot team. Today, I just want to talk quickly about a new feature Bubble has rolled out in terms of buttons. So we all know the old button experience on Bubble. You bring a button, you can edit the text uh, however you like. You can then go on and change colors. You can change the shape. You can change all that. But one thing that it does not have in-app is the ability to add an icon. So what would happen is you'd go in and you'd make a group, and then essentially you'd use a group to encase an image and a text, and then you would use the group as a button. Bubble now has a new update that allows us to do this in-app natively. So I'm going to go ahead and go on to this other page, which is up to date. It does seem that in order to use this feature, any page that is on the old responsive engine will not allow you to use this button. But on a new page, if I go in and drag a button on here, we now get this option at the top that we have button type. So we can set the button type to be a label, so just text, an icon, just an icon, or a label and icon. Let's go ahead and look at some of the formatting we can do with this button. The first thing, you have the ability to select any icon you want from the options built into Bubble, or you could, of course, import your own. You have the ability to change icon size, icon color, all of that. You also have the ability in the layout to move the icon around. You can go left to right, top, bottom. Obviously, you'd have to change the button's sizing and stuff to make that look good. You can also change the alignment of the button. You have direct access to the gap between the icon and the text. Go ahead and bigger. Also, within this button alignment, you have access to all the normal alignment features of other elements in Bubble. That's pretty much it. This is a huge help for people. It's going to save a lot of time. So try it out in your next app. And also, if you're looking for any other help with Bubble, feel free to reach out and we might make a video on any other content you're interested in. Thanks for watching.